Hello children, Christmas is round the corner. So here we are going to do a learning activity. With the help of waste material, these are easily available with you in your house. So let's begin. Materials required for this activity: old invitation cards, pencil, markers, scissors, glue and decorative stars. So let's begin with our activity. Here I had many old invitation and wedding cards with me. So I'm going to pick some from these. I have taken one yellow card. Now with the help of pencil I am drawing the shape of bell. As you can see, I am making two bells. Here for leaves I have taken a dark card. Now drawing the shape of leaf, and here you can see I have made two leaves. For bow I have taken a red card, and you can draw the shape of bow just like this. Here you can see the shape of bell, two leaves and bow. Now I have cut them out and it's time to highlight the design. So you can use colorful marker. I am using a black marker for highlighting the shape and outline like this. Now all the pieces you can see. Now take a white card and put all the designs over it. Here is the time to use glue and stick them all together. Now it's time to decorate your card. I had some colorful stars with me. You can use glitters, paper or frill, whatever you have with you. You can decorate your card accordingly. So here the card is ready. So this is the final outcome of this card. I have decorated it with the help of stars, and as I told you, you can use glitters, colorful papers and whatever materials available with you, you can use them. And after writing Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas or any other quote, whatever you feel like writing over it, you can complete your card. So with this activity, what I wanted to teach you is how you can use the waste materials in the best way, and how you can spend your Christmas holiday in a fun way, and what all things you can do to enhance your creativity. So I hope you liked this video, and I request you to make a card and give it to your loved ones. Merry Christmas!